Once again, it's another depressing day here in my city of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. It's like the fourth or fifth straight day we had of rain and fog. Man, this week has been depressing weather-wise, but it's okay. I mean, it's not really stopping me from going out and getting some content for you guys, right? There goes 8034 on the 76A. I just filmed a ride on that same route last week Wednesday. And hey, what's up guys? Alex here. We are back in the Mimico neighborhood here in South Etobicoke. Mimico is a very interesting neighborhood, full of character and charm. I've already filmed many walking videos along this part of Royal York Road, but what I haven't really filmed, I did it last year, but I haven't really filmed random side streets in the area. So I thought on this very depressing day, with on and off rain and fog. Well, actually, it was very foggy when I left home. And it was also raining when I was waiting for the 76. But yeah, let's get going. So we are on Mimico Avenue. This street used to house a lot of businesses, probably almost over a century ago. And this street goes all the way to Lakeshore Boulevard West. So then I think at Lakeshore, I'll just head east for a bit, and maybe I'll end it off at Manchester Park, which is right next to the rail corridor. Luckily, the rain has kind of let up, but it's going to be temporary. And I am using the phone once again, just in case. Even a little rain can actually hurt the camera. Unfortunately, it's not really waterproof. We have two schools here, John English, and is that a public school? Might be. So Mimico has a range of grand lakeside estates, because we are not too far from Lake Ontario, but it consists of these lakeside estates built from the 1920s to 1940s, and you got some some post-war suburban homes built in the 1950s, 60s, and low-rise apartment buildings. I believe it is 7 degrees Celsius, which feels like 3, 4. And I forgot to mention the date. Today is the last Thursday of 2023, December 28th. And I think it's around 1:45 p.m. And I hope you guys all had a great Christmas or Hanukkah, whatever holiday you celebrate. I myself had a good one. I really wanted to get a walking video done though, because I haven't even filmed one since I did that on Christmas Eve in York. And even though I did go out Tuesday and yesterday, which were also both depressing days, I didn't film a walking video. Like Tuesday, I filmed a bus ride and a progress update video up in North Etobicoke on the Finch West line. And then the next day, I just spent time with my dad. I mean, we went out to get some stuff, went to Yorkdale. I mean, today could have been a lot worse. I thought it was just going to be cloudy, but I guess I was wrong. And unfortunately, the fog is going to stay with us until at least tonight. Look at this, guys. So I was right. There used to be old businesses here along Mimico Avenue. Wow. I wonder how long they've been sitting vacant for. There's a funeral home here. You know, it's also weird too. You know, it's the very last week of December. You know, by now it should have been. It should be snowing. It should be like really cold, but it isn't. The weather here in southern Ontario is just unpredictable, and it's so freaking weird. Like we got a lot of snow last winter season. Why have we only got 2 snowy days? Actually, I think we might be getting a centimeter of snow on New Year's Eve. But who knows? Who knows how that's going to play out? At this point, it feels like freaking spring or fall or whatever. But no. It's just we're not really getting much snow. But maybe in January we could expect a lot more of winter peaking, hopefully, because even now it doesn't even feel like freaking winter. All right, here's Lakeshore Boulevard West. There's the same bus I was on. It's looping around and is gonna make a northbound run back to Royal York Station. I did film a ride southbound last Wednesday. I might do a northbound, even though I've done that last year, but this is actually the start of northbound runs right here at Lakeshore and Mimico Avenue. Anyway, it was worth it walking down the street anyways. So I think now we're gonna head east along Lakeshore. Now, when I was here last Wednesday, it was a much nicer day. I came here at sunset, and I walked through Amels Waits and Mimico Waterfront Parks, which I've never been before. I did get some pretty good views of the skyline and whatnot. So it's good to explore some areas that I haven't really been before. Well, it's just a very small pocket. Hey, there's a 507 streetcar. Yes, streetcars have returned to Lakeshore Boulevard West. Look at that, same bus I was just on, 8034, nice. But he's gonna be laying over here. 4400, what the hell? Is that the first Flex the Outlook streetcar delivered? Holy shit. These streetcars are over 8.5 years old now. So why don't we start off by going on the south side here. Okay, so yeah, I did walk through this park. I filmed like a couple random clips for, the series I'm working on. So Lake Ontario is right there. Unfortunately though, it doesn't really look too exciting when, you're walking this type of weather. So now we're walking northeast along Lakeshore Boulevard. Another reason why I'm in this area is because there's a vintage elevator that I want to film. Another office building. Haven't really filmed much elevators lately. Hello, we got our first squirrel sighting of the video. As I don't know what the hell is going on, if that streetcar stalling or... It is a change is proposed of his sites. Oh yeah, look. These homes are boarded up. Unfortunately, that's been the norm of some old homes lately. They've been like what? Like they got tore them down for new developments and shit. Oh, hello. That's not the elevator I wanted to film, though. I just... look at this, guys. I think we got a vintage elevator in there. Do you think I should pause this and maybe, go inside? You know what? Might as well. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, and I'm back, and looks like the rain is starting up again. There's a Horn elevator inside. It's quite nice. Anyway, continuing on with the video. And here's Superior Avenue coming up. So potentially I'm going to be getting 2 elevator videos in today. Because the first one I just filmed was a total surprise. Like, it wasn't even on my list. The second one, though, was all thanks to a viewer. So, oh, here's an independent grocery store owned by Loblaws. Okay, so it is drizzling right now. Even that could just damage my camera. So when I filmed a walking video along this street, it was in the other direction. And that was in July of 2022. And they were doing some construction. We have a Ukrainian restaurant here. I know the Ukrainian consulate is just down the street from here. This might be the only walking video filmed today because it is just so freaking depressing. Maybe I'll still film a bus ride though, despite all this. It's okay though, I still came out, I still did my thing here. Thing is though, now I gotta edit this on iMovie. You know how long that's gonna take. For some reason, my computer doesn't even... Well, I could try it on my MSI, which is where I edit my longer videos. Yeah, maybe I'll try it. When I do the Acer, it just doesn't work at all. So again, you got these low-rise apartments here. And some interesting shops here. And here is Burlington Street. So that's the building I want to go into. But I don't want to cut this video again, so... Look, my jacket is wet again. It's the 4th straight day of rain and fog. Though we haven't actually had a sunny day since last week, Tuesday. So it's a bit of an L for Toronto and Southern Ontario, essentially. Akron Medical Center. What? Is it like Akron, Ohio? I'm just gonna quickly cross here. I wonder what type of elevator is inside here. Well, there's a kid and his father just in the lobby, so I'm not doing that right now. Maybe when I'm done here, I'll probably do some rail fanning right by the Mimico commuter train station. It's a short walk from here. Ugh. The last time I checked, my battery's at 60-something%. So I may have enough juice for my next video. Alright, let's go up here on Alexander Street. Hey, look, that sure has my name on it. I didn't know I actually have my own friggin' street here in Etobicoke. So why don't we go over to Manchester Park And then I don't know. I don't even know if tomorrow will be any better though, because it's supposed to be the same thing. Saturday though is supposed to be our first sunny day since before Christmas, so definitely hoping for something positive. But again, the only reason why I'm here as a squirrel scaling up this tree here is because, again, I haven't filmed a walking video since Christmas Eve. Looks like we have an elementary school over there by the name of David Hornell. Guy from Manitoba. Whew. And unfortunately, though, I lost my umbrella. You guys remember the video I made in Montreal, walking around Little Italy, had my umbrella on. That was the only video I did with the umbrella. And it just disappeared. Anyway, I don't want to be rambling on. You guys in the comments are just going to grill me for that shit. By the way, this neighborhood is a short walking distance from nearby Humber Bay Park. Offers some excellent views of the Toronto skyline. But it's obviously a lot better if you go on a regular sunny day or cloudy day. I'm gonna have to turn back here. We're on Burlington Street now. I will have to walk back here to get to that medical building. It's on that elevator. But I'm just gonna be braving my ass off here in the rain, so that's Manchester Park there. Speaking of Manchester, probably got it from the large city in England. Cousin Emily's friend has arrived here from Manchester. We were going to meet at tomorrow, make some videos, but she's super exhausted and jet lagged. The time difference is just huge, right? Because Manchester is like, it's a 5-hour difference. Well, it's 5 hours ahead of Toronto. So maybe like right after the new year, I guess we'll meet up. And that's actually fine anyways, because tomorrow is going to be another depressing day in the city. Oh, I hear a train. But is it heading east or west? Oh, it's getting closer here. Yep, heading east. 6-1. Just going down in there. I don't think I'll add that to the compilation I'm working on. You know what? Judging by how this weather looks right now, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to, yeah, look at this. I'm gonna get my shoes all wet. Yeah, forget that. But there you go, it's on its way to next station, Exhibition, and then Union Station downtown. So I would say you're a good 15 minutes train ride away from here. Anyway, I'm heading back in the other direction. I was gonna wrap this up, but I just wanted to loop around and check out the park, and good thing I came out there. We saw a train going by. Yeah, it's really, I don't think it's safe to be a rail fanning when there's like when there's like hardly any shelter, unless I just go inside the Mimico station building. I don't know. All right, so we're just gonna walk back down to Lakeshore Boulevard West. We got patches of snow here. That might be a via this time, because just west of here is the Willowbrook maintenance facility. Skelton. I can't remember. Was that the street I just came out of? It might have been. Yeah, I haven't walked through here yet. And here's Victoria Street. And there's Lakeshore once again. Oh yeah, that is a via. Oh wait, I think it did come up from here. Or not. I'm having a hard time trying to retrace my steps from where I came from. Well, I'm gonna end this video anyway. It's just still raining here, so, and I'm already wet as hell. At least I'm not like drenched. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be it. It might be the only walking video I'll film today. But thanks. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. As always, stay tuned for more videos. Check out my others as well. Happy holidays, and most importantly, Happy New Year and all the best in 2024. Hopefully there'll be a couple more videos to come before this year ends, despite all this crappy weather. But I guess that's just life. Anyway, guys, take care and adios. Bye-bye.